people? Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, depending on which part of the world you're watching me from. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create stunning corporate logo using a particular AI tool. Now, if today is the first time you're watching, please like, subscribe, comment, and turn on the notifications so that anytime I upload a content, you'll be the very first to know. Set up your system, and if you are ready, remember, like I always do say, when you grow, we grow. Let's get started. Right?
So guys, find your way to Looka.com. This is the landing page of Looka.com. Once you get here, you have the option to log in or sign up, but we're going to get started real quick. So you enter your company name here and then click get started. So it will take you to this particular page where you'll be asked to pick your industry. So from this search bar, if you click on it, you can see a list of all manner of industries, any industry you can think of is listed here, but I just want to quickly search for tech and then select tech, then click continue. So here you have the option to pick some logos so that the system would use it as an inspiration to create yours. You can decide to skip, but it's advisable you pick so that you can have an idea. So I will select a few logos from here so that the system can model my design according to what I select. So once you are done, I think I've selected 3, click on continue. Here you'll be asked to pick some colors that you like. You can pick more than one, but it's advisable to keep it short, so I go for blue, red, and maybe pink. So once that is done, just click on continue. So right here you already have the company name in place like that, so you are asked to add a slogan. So I'm just going to quickly type my slogan. Once that is done, I will just click on continue. So here you'll be asked to select some symbol types so that the design can be incorporated in. So select a few. First, tech, or select another one, excellence and creativity. The idea here is to leave it short, so click on continue. What you've selected, like up to 3. So in a jiffy, logos will be generated. So these are some of the logos that this platform has generated for me. You can see all of them are very well designed. All of them you can customize. As a matter of fact, you can customize it to suit your specific needs. You can customize it with your own brand asset, your own brand identity. So let's pick this one and see how we can customize this particular one. Okay, so once you click on it, it takes you to this customization page. So this is how the logo looks. So for instance, if you scroll down, you can see they're showing you how it will look on mobile in case you want to use it on the website. And these are the brand essentials on all manner of platforms. They will show you how it will look. So let's get to customize it. For instance, if you want to remove this symbol, if you click on the symbol, you have symbol options that you can change to. So scrolling down, you can see different symbols listed accordingly. I think this one, yeah, I like this one. So if I click on it, it changes the symbol to the current one immediately, just like so. So I can change the background as well. Just click on background to the left side and then select your background option. In this case, I go for this particular color. So once you click any color, it shows you a whole lot of options. So I think I go for the first. This looks good. And then you can decide to change the palette, the palette, the color palette more like. These are the palette options. You can use this tab to change it to classic, professional, all manner of palette. This is actually the classic color scheme. You can also change it to something different. For instance, if I click on calm, it takes me here and a whole lot of other different options under the calm color scheme. So I think I like this one. I'll click on it like so. Then if you go up, you see layout. If I click on the lower layout, it takes me here where you see the rearrangement of the components of the design, you know, and you see a whole lot of other different options all the way down. So it's a matter of you looking through. I think this one looks good. If I click on it, okay, there's another one. If I click on it like so, you can see it comes alive like so. Nicely done. So on this left side, you can customize it with all these tabs the way you want it, however you want it, using this left pen to make it yours. Okay, so let's leave it at this. When you're done, just click download at the top corner. So when it takes you to this pop-up window, you can decide to get brand kit and download immediately, or preview brand kit. And then again, you can also look at the logo files individually. For instance, if I click on this next, it takes me to how to look on the website, the print shop, the exclusive offers and stuff. So you can click up to 24 items to view individually, but I don't want to go through that. So you just go to logo files, click on get brand items. Here it takes you to the checkout page. You can see there are a lot of plans, 4 basic plans. The first one is basic logo package, where you have 1 logo file and a one-time purchase of $20. The next one is premium logo package. You have a one-time purchase of $65. You have multiple high resolution files and unlimited changes. This one is the most popular, the brand kit subscription, $96 per year, billed annually. You also have another type. Thank you for watching. This is how it ends.